Did you try to enjoy it at least a little bit? Hi. He's a little beach bum, huh? See, he's having a good time. You like the beach, huh? He's doing like a little dance. Oh, it's a good catch. It's kind of nice because it's a little bit cloudy, so we know he won't burn, you know?
Well, you actually burn more when it's cloudy. Did you know that?
Really? No, I think that's just because you don't realize you're still getting a tan, so you stay out of the sun longer.
Look.
But I think the rays aren't as strong. I'm not sure though. You could be right. I don't know. Hi, sweetie.
I read that somewhere once.
I just know there's a lot of clouds in Washington and nobody really gets a tan there. It's gonna be us someday. The airplane. It's gonna be us someday.
We're gonna be airplanes?
We're gonna be on an airplane.
Yeah. If we're leaving the island, we're here to still be on airplanes.
We are?
So we'll still get on airplanes someday.
Yeah, I guess.
I've been back home every single time since like Christmas.
Yeah. This time we're not gonna be coming back. It's Santa Claus with a ukulele. I guess. I think it was actually a violin.
That was a violin.
I don't get it. Like, is he doing it for fun?
If it does it, people like just take it apart.
Right. Jay, that was weird.
That's why you can't become a musical person, dude. Because you might be playing on a street corner
Yeah.
to make money. Professional athlete.
Hi. Look at the birdie. There's the birdie. You should take him in the water. Looking good. You go swimming?
We gotta get this little skin thing checked out.
What do you mean?
Look.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's weird. Give up already?
It's really cold.
It's not that bad.
It's pretty cool. Feel his legs, dude. Like put it for like.
No, I
His legs are freezing. He's starting to cry.
Oh, you poor baby. Don't eat the sand, buddy.
Make sure to put it in his face too. You can rub his eye, though. That's why I put him in the sun.
Yeah, he has no sand on his face. He's just digging. No, no. It's pretty chilly.
Yeah, it's pretty chilly. He's all good.
Freezing.
Hey, Trey's cool with it. Look at him. He's like, oh.
Kick those legs. Kick those legs. Hi. Still not used to it. It's still pretty cold.
Kicking though. It's kicking like crazy.
Can you get those feet? Can you get the feet? We should dunk them sometime. You know how you do it? You blow in their face and it makes them hold their breath. He's all clean. Hi. He's a good swimmer. See those fishies? Cute fishies. I guess this is the traffic. do to it? You smashed it.
Watch that crush.
What did you put the car seat on it?
I did.
You did?
I did.
Is that yours?
Oh, it's yours.
Oh, you smashed mine.
God, thanks.
Look, you got it on the top.
It's a fucking, it's a thin crust, Kylie.
You just made it thinner.
So much to smash.
Oh, it does smell fishy. That's the anchovies for you. It's Trey's pooping face. Steven's got one last piece of pizza. Can he do it? Yes, he can. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sings tonight. Oh, look, I see him. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Boom, 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 boom. Got there. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5.